To measure by segment from point to point or from notch to point, you can use the function measure along line. Move your cursor to the start point of an element and make sure you highlighted the correct element. In my case, I want to measure on my armhole, so I have to change the element with F4. The start point is always on 0. Now you can move your cursor along the line to the notch. The measurement is displayed on your cursor position. It's possible to combine and edit the measurements in the Measure dialog. With plus and enter, you can open this dialog and you can see the measurement in all the different sizes. Make sure to deselect size independent. If you want to close the edit dialog, you can press escape. To delete the measure, you can use delete measures. Be careful if you want to start at the end point of the element. I select the function again, move my cursor to the end point. I make sure to highlight the armhole with F4, and now you can see the measurement on my cursor position is not on 0 like it was at the start point. You can set a reference point with the right mouse button. It's on 0 now, and you can start with your measuring. Move your cursor along the line to the notch, and you can see the measurement from the end point to the notch. With X on your keyboard, you can stick the measure on your element.